welcome back to another session. I hope your last two sessions with the lesson mice is clear about the poem, about rhyming words, new words, meanings. Yes children, hope you understood, and I hope you are all reciting the poem. Yes, you need to remember. Yes, it's a wonderful poem. See, in any case, if you feel like boring, what I told you, the technique, you have to sing like a song so that you won't feel bored and you can remember. Okay? So today we'll learn something new. Okay? So to open your textbook, page number 31. So today we are going to do the exercises given after the end of the lesson. Yes? So hope you are ready with the pencil and eraser children. So shall we start learning new things? Yes? Excited? Yes, even I am also excited. You know, instead of learning the same thing again, we will learn a topic, a concept with differently. Okay? So let's start. Understanding the text. Okay, I am going to read very slowly, concentrate and try to answer it. Understanding the text. Tick the correct answer and fill in the blanks. You have to also tick the answer and you have to write your answer in the fill in the blank. What is the first one? First one it says, mice have dash tails. Usually what mice will have? Guess. Is it a short tail or a long tail? Yes children? So the first one, the answer will be long. Children, you have given a multiple choices, the different answers are given. You have to put the tick mark and you have to write the answer in the fill in the blank also. Okay? Hope you finished writing. The second one, their faces are usually what we talked about in the last two classes. The mouse will have a small face. Yes children? So the answer is small. The third one, they have dash ears. Is it yellow, pink or blue? What we taught? Pink. So the answer would be pink. Fourth one, mice have dash teeth. Do they have white teeth, brown teeth, red teeth? White teeth. What we talked about? They are white in color. And the last one, fifth one, they do not have what? They do not have nose, chin or eyes. Your guess is right. It is chin. They don't have chin at all. Hope you wrote your answers. So if not, do it quickly children. First answer is long. Second answer is small. Third one is pink. Fourth one is white. And the fifth one is chin. Hope you completed. So let's next we will shall we move on to the next one? B bit. Yes. This is A bit. Now we will move on to the B bit. What B bit says? Think and answer. So before answering you should think. It's a very twisted question. The poet says the mice run about the house at night. So what we talked about? What I have explained. The mouse runs around the house. Why do you think the mouse do so? Why they roam? One thing we'll know. I am thinking what to say. You also think children. Why they are roaming here at night in our houses? Let me see. I think why they are roaming, especially at night. We don't see them in the morning. Not much. They will be hiding in the hole. But during the nights when they will come out. Like I said, last class, they have good sense of smell. They are very good at smelling. They have strong smelling power. They are very good at hearing. What they will do? They will explore. They will try the things. What is this? They don't know it is a textbook, but they try to smell, and if any sounds are coming, they will hear that sound and depend upon it, they will judge what it is. And what they do usually, they try to run. Why? They look for food, anything to eat. And since they are naughtier, what they do? They drop our things, objects in our kitchen. They drop vessels, utensils, all that. They make sounds at night. Yes, why they do it? They do it only at night. They come out at night. But this is the answer I am thinking. What you think? Is any other information you have? Yes, think about it. This is the whatever I explained right now. I think that is the answer. Why they roam at, why they are running at night in the house. Yes, children. Hope it is clear. So your thinking and my thinking will be different. Okay. For this you can think of anything. Any reason might be. Okay. And next one, seaweed. So we are done with the think and answer. See, even this question is given in the exam also. You can have your own answers. You don't have to write whatever the answer I told you. You can write your own answer. Okay? Any answer, whatever you think is accepted. Okay? And now we will move to the seaweed. Discuss. Read these lines from the poem. And no one seems to like them much. Why don't people like mice? Discuss in the class. So, since we are not in the class, so you are at home, you are having this recording session, we cannot discuss, but I will tell you my opinion, what I think. Why don't people like mice? If you ask me, I don't like mice because it make a mess. See, I kept nicely my vessels, my boxes, everything in the kitchen. And what they do at night? They'll come to in the kitchen and disturb everything. They will drop the things. Yes, children. Anyone like them? That is why I don't like mice. They won't harm you. They won't harm you. There are different breeds, different types of mouse are there. But every mouse won't harm you. But you should be careful. You should not go near them. Yes, children, it is not good for us. You should not go closer to the mice. They won't harm you. They are not dangerous, but they are naughtier. Okay? Since in order to explore, in order to find the food, what they do? They drop different things in my kitchen. That's why I don't like it. What do you think so? In this also, when we are in the class, we are discussing, you can tell your opinion, what you think. Your answers will be accepted. Okay, children, understood? Moving to the page 32. Page 32, children. Hope everyone turn the page. Understanding words. What it is written? Understanding words. Choose the words from the help box and fill in the blanks with the sounds of animals. So they have given you a list of answers here. So we have different birds, animals, insects, all are there. Pictures you can see. So how they sound, we are going to write here. So what is this picture, children? It's a picture of a bird. So how the bird will sound? Chirps. What it sound? Like a chirps. The answer is chirps. Bird. How it sound? Chirps. So this is the bird, chirps. Move on to the right side. What do you see here? Wolf. What animal is this? Wolf. How it sounds? It howls. You observe, children? What the wolf will howls. This is bird. This is wolf, children. Now moving to the here, what we have? Bear. How bear sound? It growls. What the bear? How it sounds? Growls. It growls. Moving to the right side, what we have here? Cat. Cat. How it sounds? Meow. Meow, meow. Yes, children. So, cat meows. So, I think you are following this. First one is bird. Second one is wolf. It's the right side. And again I went to the left side, bear. And move on to the right side, I have cat. Let's see, again moving this. Bees. Yes? How bees will sound? They hums. Yes, children? We will do with the small letters, children. Okay, it bees, it hums. So this is the one which in yellow and grey in color. And moving to the right, what animal is this? Donkey. Donkey, how they sound? It brays. Yes, children. So hope you are understood and clear with the what are the animals, how they sound. Yes. So please note it down. Bird chirps, wolf howls, bear growls, cat meows, bees hums, donkey brays. Hope it is clear, children. I hope everyone wrote in your textbook. Yes. Now move on to the page 33. Page 33, listening. Children, this one I want to give you this as homework. Try to read these sentences and try to fill up the blanks. Try to think. See, like you can write any answer. Since we don't have you cannot do this exercise by listening the dialogues and completing the sentences right now. So you can make your own words. Okay. So I want to give this as homework. Try it. If not, in the next session I will give you this. Okay. So page 33, listening will be your homework. See, instead of giving a dialogues and listening and instead of writing, try to read these sentences and try to answer this. If you are not getting anything, I will explain you in the next session. And move on to the speaking. Move on to the look at the picture. Work in pace and create dialogues for the characters in the picture. So this also you have to do on your own, children. See, I will write different dialogues, you will write different dialogues. See, I want to see and read your dialogues. That is my curiosity. So if you see the pictures, you can, whatever the conversation will be. See, imagine, one of the character is you and others are all your friends. How the conversation, how you will talk to each other depending upon seeing these pictures, children. So this I will give you in the next class as homework. Okay, children? Hope you understood. By this one, by looking at the picture imagining yourself in one of the character and write the conversation dialogues on your own. Okay children? Okay children, till now I think you hope you understood till the page 33. Okay, try to do it because I think differently and you think differently. If you take initiative, you will learn more. Okay, so now we will move on to the page 34. Writing. So this was a writing part. Let's see. Some animals are kept as pets at home. Yes children, I hope some of the I hope you have also one pet animal like dog. Some people will have a cat. Yes children, so some animals are kept as pets at home. So write 5 lines to describe your pet animal. So children, unfortunately this also you have to do on your own. Try to do it. I am not giving this as a homework for our just one in a single day. I will give them this homework in different days. Okay, try to do it. If not, I will help you in the following sessions. And moving to the next one, pronunciation. How to pronounce these words. Read the words aloud in 2 columns. Note the differences in the ch and sh sounds. Let's do this children. Very interesting. Ch ending. CH sounds like ch and sh ending. First one, branch. Ch, branch. Church. Match. Lunch. Rich. So these are the sounds ending with cha. Bunch. Church. Match. Lunch. Rich. Okay children, these are the CH makes the word cha sound. Let's do it with sh. SH makes the sound sh ending sound. Let's see. Brush. 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 Crash. Crush. See, SH is making the sound sh. It is an ending sound. Wash. Ending sound is wash. And push. 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 And the last one is wish. Sh. So there will be, for words there will be a beginning sounds, starting sounds and the ending sounds also. This one is ending sounds. We are learning with the same ending sounds. Hope it is clear children. And moving on to the next page, page number 35. Children, hope you understood till here about this pronunciation, how we pronounce in the page number 34. Hope it is clear. Now we will move to the page number 35. It is activity children. Again, they are sorry to say this, but you have to do this activity by your own. Yes children. So let's see. Discuss the names of some popular mouse cartoon characters. Mouse cartoon. What do you think of? Tom and Jerry. Yes, your favorite cartoons. You can draw them here. Draw or paste pictures of your favorite one in the space given. If you can draw, you draw it and color it. It looks nice. Or else you can paste the pictures of Tom and Jerry also. Yes, your favorite mouse. So you can draw pictures or you can paste the picture. Hope you understood children. We are done with the lesson here. Hope you all understood. So for today the homework will be listening only. The page 33. Try to do it at home. Okay. Hope you enjoy this session and more lessons, more learning will be there in the following sessions. Thank you children. Have a good day.